What is up, guys? It's TimeForDillon, back at it again with another crypto video. Thank you guys for tuning in. You guys are awesome. Really appreciate all the support. In today's video, what I want to talk about, of course, is give you guys an update on the BOBCAT 300 HNT miner, tell you guys what the profitability looks like over the last 24 hours, and then of course do a quick update on the crypto market, tell you guys what's happening with Bitcoin, what's happening with Ethereum, maybe talk about Cardano, Uniswap, one of the other altcoins. One thing that I really want to talk about today is, of course, the meeting between Jack Dorsey, Elon Musk, and Cathie Wood of ARK Invest, all today at the conference, the B word, right? We all know what the B word is, right? It's Bitcoin. So they all sat down, had a beautifully productive conversation about Bitcoin. And yeah, I'm going to share all that with you. But first things first, let's jump right into the app, the Helium app, so I can show you guys what my profitability looks like over the last 24 hours. So here we are, we're now in the app, and as you guys can see, over the last 24 hours, I have mined $2.80. And at today's current price of $10.39, which is up from yesterday significantly, we can see that my total mined profit so far, or the total amount of helium that I have mined so far, is $62.10, which is pretty awesome if you think about it. So yeah, it looks like if I switch this over to helium, it looks like I'm sitting at the grand total of 5.892 helium, which is pretty awesome, almost 6 helium. And if you really put that into perspective, at the height of this bull market, helium was sitting at $22, $23, somewhere around there. So 5-6 times that, that's a lot of money. That's over $100. So far, just in about, I think we're sitting at 17 days now? 18 days of mining, I've already made over $100 worth of crypto, which is pretty awesome. So what we're going to do now is jump right into CoinMarketCap. I'm going to give you guys a quick update on a couple cryptos, and then we're going to go over a couple articles that I read online that were super interesting, talking about Bitcoin, talking about none other than Elon Musk himself. So let's do that. Let's waste no more time and jump right over to CoinMarketCap. So here we are, we're at CoinMarketCap, and as you guys can see, we're back up to the we're back up to the $1.3 trillion range. Market is up 7.69% today, which is pretty awesome. So yeah, we're back in that range that we've been in for the last month and a half, pretty much. So I'm sure you guys saw last night, Bitcoin finally dipped under $30,000. It was pretty crazy. Everyone got scared, and usually what happens when something like this happens with Bitcoin, when it moves under a certain range that it's been in for a long time, everyone loves to throw bearish scenarios out into the wind and give you absolutely scary price predictions with Bitcoin. So I don't know why everyone chooses to do that. I guess, I don't know, they just want to front run it just in case, so that they can be given the credit of saying, oh, it crashed when I said it was going to crash. But basically, Bitcoin rebounded beautifully and is back up to the $32,000 range, which is pretty awesome. Up 7% today. And then of course, right next to that, Ethereum also back up to the $1,950 range, almost hitting that $2,000 range once again. But yeah, I pretty much just want to talk about these two coins. And then, if you scroll down, you'll see that everything is pretty much up today, however, still down on the week. So it's pretty crazy to see. Nice to see a nice bounce like that. So as I was saying at the beginning of this video, I wanted to talk about some of the stuff that Elon Musk talked about today at the B Word conference, where he sat down and talked with Jack Dorsey. Here's one thing that he did, right? Elon Musk actually confirmed that he owns Ethereum. A lot of people, what they're doing is that they're saying that Elon Musk admitting that he owns Ethereum is what made the price of Ethereum go up today. Someone like Elon Musk that has so much influence over the crypto space, when you find out that Elon Musk owns Ethereum, it just makes it that much better. So another article that I saw Elon Musk talk about was this: I might pump, but I don't pump. Elon Musk outlined his broad approach to crypto investing in a panel also featuring Cathie Wood and Jack Dorsey. As you guys know. And basically what he said is, if the price of Bitcoin goes up, if the price of Bitcoin goes down, I lose money. I might pump, but I don't dump, Musk said during the B Word event, which also featured Twitter chief Jack Dorsey and ARK Invest CEO Cathie Wood. He continued, I definitely do not believe in getting the price high and selling or anything like that. I'd like to see Bitcoin succeed. Which, honestly, if you think about it, this guy owns a lot of Bitcoin. He put in billions of dollars to invest in Bitcoin for his company, right? Of course he wants Bitcoin to succeed. But at the same time, we all know that he wants Bitcoin to succeed in the long term. And he doesn't mind if the price crashes right now in the short term so that he can, what do you think, accumulate some more Bitcoin at a lower price. That is definitely what these guys are trying to do. All these top shots, all these big dogs that own billion-dollar companies or $100 million companies, what do you think they're doing? They're trying to get in at a discount. Of course, it makes sense. Why wouldn't they want to get in at a discount? So I thought this article was pretty interesting because, you know, I'm sure we all know what happened when Elon Musk decided to mention or, you know, come out with the information that Tesla would no longer be accepting Bitcoin as a term of payment for their Tesla vehicles, right? When he came in and said that, we saw what happened to the price. It went down. And a lot of people were asking, right? Especially in the short term after he posted that and that news broke, a lot of people were asking if Tesla sold their Bitcoin. And he wouldn't come out and say because Elon Musk wants the price to stay low for short term so that he can buy more. That's just what I think. It's not a fact, but it's just personally what I think. I think it makes a lot of sense. Because if I had billions and billions and billions of dollars, and I know that something, and I truly believed that this was going to work and that this is the new technology, that's what I would try and do, at least to a certain extent. Like he said, he doesn't want this system to fail. But if he comes out a little bit later than he needs to, and that in turn has an effect on the price to the downside, right? As long as he doesn't disavow Bitcoin, then it could be played to his advantage. That's all I'm trying to say. So I thought this article was very interesting as well. And then, of course, you gotta love this, right? This is what a lot of people are saying, that we're at a bottom signal, that we think we're at a bottom and that it's now time for the market sentiment to flip and come back up. Number one, this, right? Cathie Wood buys another $39 million of Tesla, but also, more importantly, adds Bitcoin's plays, Square, and Coinbase to her investment portfolio. So it's pretty crazy to see because, as you guys know, Tesla has Bitcoin. Coinbase is directly tied to the price of Bitcoin. When Bitcoin is doing good, Coinbase stock is doing well as well. And vice versa is true as well. When the price of Bitcoin goes down, what happens to Coinbase stock? It goes down as well. And that's, of course, because their entire business depends on the sale of cryptos, specifically Bitcoin. That's how they make money, is through commission trading. Right? They take a percentage of every transaction you process. And then, of course, Square, as we know, which is Jack Dorsey's company, is a huge payment processing application. And, of course, Square owns a lot of Bitcoin. So you know that when somebody that's very smart like this, Cathie Wood, who owns ARK Investments, right? She's the CEO and founder. She runs the whole operation. When she is going out and buying investments that are directly tied to Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, you know what that means, that she either truly believes that the price is going to go up in the long run, or she has information that it's going to go up in the short term. So I just thought that these articles were super interesting, right? You guys should go look up those articles if you want to read them yourself, or you guys can actually go on YouTube, look up the entire interview between Jack Dorsey, Cathie Wood, and Elon Musk. It was a great little interview where they talked a lot about Bitcoin and what they believed in terms of Bitcoin. So it was a super cool article, really great thing. You guys should definitely go watch it. But yeah, that's basically all I have for you guys today. Just wanted to talk to you guys about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and of course Helium, give you guys an update. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate all the support. Please make sure to like this video, smash that like button, drop a comment down below, and of course subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Really means a lot to me and it helps the channel grow. Anyway, you guys have a beautiful day. Dylan is out.